Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode with me and Vijay. And today also we'll try to make something out using AI. This time we'll try to do it on Sketchup. Let's see how it goes. So we are absolutely out of any ready-made idea. So let's see what works well. Now we go to Leonardo AI. Okay, so let's go to image creation. So what should we create, Vijay, now?
Today, let us create a table, Reddit
Table.
table, yeah,
Okay.
or computer table.
Let's see what a new, or I should say unique, like, table. Okay, which one do you think we can make?
Mm, do we have more options?
Mhm.
Mm, okay, let me choose the fourth one, I think. Fourth one.
This one?
Mm,
Can you do
yeah,
this?
this one I can make it. Yeah, yeah.
Th-
Not this one.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so I will be sending this to you. From
Okay,
there, you can start.
let me download it first.
Hmm.
Now I will share the screen. Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is the image which I will do in SketchUp.
Yes.
So let's start.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me first create this shape.
Okay.
For this, go to rectangle tool, select this origin and change the plane.
Hmm.
Let me keep it 1000 by 1000 mm. Okay, let us delete that plane. Okay, again go to rectangle tool,
Hmm.
select this midpoint, press Control, select, change the origin and enter 50, comma 50 mm.
Hmm.
Okay, 50 by 50, I think it's too small. Let me delete it. Go to rectangle tool, select the midpoint, press Control, change the plane. Let me give 100 by 100.
Okay.
Okay, now it looks okay. Now
Yes.
let us go to follow me tool, select this profile and follow the path. It's not working. Okay, I'll do another method. Select this profile, sorry, path. Okay, Go to format tool. It's not okay. Follow the path.
Mm.
Okay. Now let me make it as a group. Right click and make group and select this object. Go to move tool. Select this point. Press Control and let me place it at a distance of 2000 mm.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me create this base. Sorry, top of the table. Now just go to rectangle tool. Select this point and select this point. Go to push pull tool. Select this surface and let me give 100 mm. Okay. It is a little bit extruded here. Now this go to push pull tool. Select this face. Give 100 mm. Here also select this face. Give 100 mm.
Mm.
Here also select the face. Give 100 mm. Here also select this face. Give 100 mm. Okay. Now let us make this drawers first. Now this go to rectangle tool. Select this point and let me give 200, 1900. Okay, there are three dots in this. First, let me extrude it. Go to push pull tool and join it here. Now let me select this edge and let me divide it into three parts like
Mm.
this. Go select this point and join it here. Again, select this point and join it here. Mm, Now go to rectangle tool. Select this point and let me make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool and extend it to here.
Mm.
This is for the keyboard. This slot is for keyboard.
Mm.
And let us make this knob first. It's a circular shape, I think. Go to circle tool and select anywhere on this surface and the value of 31, die of 31. Go to push pull tool and let us give a value of 40 mm.
Mm.
Does it look similar or what? Is it
No,
different
go
or
ahead.
similar?
I mean, yeah. I know that it's not very highly detailed, but we are making something to look similar.
Yeah. Again, let us choose this circle tool. Select this face. Sorry, select this point on this face and enter 30 mm. Go to push pull tool. Give value of 30 mm.
Mm.
So our base is ready and top is also ready. Now let me place this part. For this, let me go to rectangle tool. Select this point and let it give a value of 300, comma 300. Now go to push pull tool. Set this face and let us extend it up to 1000 mm.
Mm.
And now go to offset tool. And let me give an offset of 35 mm. Go to line tool, mm, make a line like this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to create one more line here. Now go to push pull tool and extend it here. Again, extend it up to here. Now we can copy this object to here also.
Mm-hmm.
Go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it here. Now we'll make this object. Go to push, sorry, rectangle tool, select this part and join it here. Move to press control, enter value 50 mm. Now go to erase tool and erase these unwanted lines. Go to select tool and select this face and delete it. Go to push pull tool, select this face and extend it up to here. Go to erase tool, erase these lines. Here also erase these lines.
Yeah, we need to extend this face also, right?
Where? This
We
part.
need, yeah.
Okay, for that we need to create a line here first. Go to push pull tool and select this face and extend up to 75. Similarly here also select the line tool, create a line like this, go to push pull tool and sorry, give a value of 75. Here's
Mm.
something wrong, I think. Go to line tool, joint here. Sorry, something is wrong here. Go to rectangle tool, select this point, and make a rectangle here like this. So this face, delete it. Now it looks okay, I think. Select this
Mm.
face, delete it. Okay, it is almost ready. Now we'll give some texture to it. For
Mhm.
this, go to, sorry, select this whole object, whole table. Select this table, go to materials, go to browse, go to wood texture. Let me select this texture first. Hmm. For these stands, let us give some other texture. Let me select this texture. Okay, okay, it is ready now.
The one, yeah, right.
Okay, one problem is there.
Yeah, it's nice actually. Yeah, what's the problem?
Okay, yeah, something is wrong here.
It is hollow. Maybe you
Yeah, it
missed
is hollow.
to
It does.
missed to copy the back face or something.
Yeah, that also we can do, but it's not working, I think. Okay, let us make it similar. We will create the that face here also. It's not working. Okay, leave it as it is.
I think
I'll
it's
do
okay
it.
for
I'll do
now.
it.
There must be some glitch or maybe we uh,
Yeah, right.
missed to select something, but more or less the concept is clear and we are pretty much there. I know that it's not 100% replica of what we see in the picture. Can you put both of them side by side again?
Yeah, sure. Okay. This part is little bit shifted to you.
Yeah, but broadly it is kind of similar. Uh, yeah,
Yeah.
it needs improvement, I can say, but yeah, it's a start.
Actually,
I
I was
mean,
not prepared for that. It's we
yeah,
did real time. We did in
real
real
time.
time.
Yeah, I mean, we can do number of iterations to make it perfect, make it look like exact what we see in the picture. But
Yeah, right.
I hope you're getting what we're trying to do here. So main thing is that we are trying this for a while and we are not able to see any response, which is a bit demotivating. I hope if anyone gets some any takeaway, at least leave a like and leave some comment so that we can keep on doing this. Or of course, we these are just very basic things which we are trying to do. We will like to improve it. We like uh, to like make more beautiful objects, but that all needs a feedback. I mean, we were doing mute videos for like 3 4 years, and people were asking that you should add some kind of voiceover, and now we're trying. So we just expect uh, that there should be some kind of response from your side also. I know it's a bit weird to ask for this, but still, it will be very motivational for us. So I hope you like this, and please leave some feedback. Whether it's good or bad doesn't matter. Your feedback is important. That will help us improve. You tell us where we are lagging, what do you expect from us, how can we improve it. By that way only we can actually make it good. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you, guys.